When I was like 12 years old, we had this little club, and it was called the Tallahassee Regulators. And this stuff is still on YouTube to this day. It was like a club, and it was basically, it was so dumb. It's only the type of thing that a group of 12-year-olds would think is cool, you know? And that's exactly what we were. It was a group of 12-year-olds.
Anybody who attempts to modify these points is attempting to coup at the detriment of all we stand for. Do not let those who wish to suppress freedom take your view of us. We
had like a little computer hacker gang that was like inspired by Anonymous. It was during the time we were like doing anti-Church of Scientology stuff, and we came up with like a local group of trolls called the Tallahassee Regulators. And I wouldn't say this was like a left-wing group. It was a pretty non-ideological group, but we hated the school system, and like we wanted to rebel against the school system. And it was just by the grace of God that I never got arrested during all the crazy shit we were doing. But I did get called into like a meeting with a bunch of cops at my school one time, and they're like, "Hey, you need to cut this crap out like now." And we did cut it out for the most part. But it's funny because that's really like a normal behavior for like a 12-year-old. I think 12-year-old, 13-year-old guys, they really are supposed to be rebellious at that age. Like, I think it's normal at that age to want to rebel against like your school. What I don't think is normal is when somebody that's like 30 is still mad at their old high school. And like a lot of you guys send me emails, and this is like a recurring theme in all of these emails. There's one guy that watches this video that's going to think that I'm singling him out, and he knows who he is, but this is not, I'm not singling out one person, because there's like 10 of y'all. 10 of y'all have emailed me about complaining about stuff that happened 10 years ago when you were in high school. It's normal to want to rebel against your high school when you're like 13 years old. But still being mad about stuff that happened in high school, or some of you are nostalgic about high school, and all you can talk about is when you were in high school. That's another group. That's a smaller group, but some of y'all are on that shit too. I'm 30 years old. I'm turning 31 in a couple months. Like, I don't really want to talk about high school, you know? I haven't been in high school in how many years? Like over a decade, like close to like maybe almost 15 years now. Just under 15 years. That's a long time. It's, you know what I don't think about every day? High school. It's just not something I think about. But yeah, so this was an interesting anecdote that the videos are still up from 16 years ago. The Tallahassee Regulators and all that. We hated the school system, and we hated Tallahassee Gun Forum for whatever reason. I don't even remember why we hated Tallahassee Gun Forum. It was some personal grudge somebody had, and we wanted to go after a forum, and like we wanted to like test our might by going after, like we wanted to do like a raid or something, you know. And I used to hang out on 4chan at like on Poll, and there was one called 888chan. 888chan's not around anymore. So yeah, I've been on the image board websites like a long time. I know these days people use Soy Jack Party. Soy Jack is pretty cool. I think Soy Jack is funny. I think it's a funny meme. But yeah, if you want to see some really, really, really cringeworthy stuff from when I was like 12, 100%, like that's a good place to see it. Anyways, guys, as always, if you like the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Check out the merchandise that I sell. I sell really high quality like rash guards and different like martial arts grade shirts and different wild camouflage patterns. I'll see you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb signing off.